Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we will learn how to use custom pagination class in our Django project. In this video, we will learn how to use custom pagination and how to make page size custom. That means what we want is we want to pass custom page size and we want to get a response of that page size. So first of all, let's create a file called pagination in your app or in your utility directory. Then let's import some classes. So I have imported page number pagination from REST framework.pagination, which we will be inheriting in our custom pagination class. Then let's import the response to return a response and the status to return the status of the response. Next, we will create a class. The class name is custom pagination and we have inherited it from page number pagination, as I already said. Let's define two attributes here, page size query param, which I am using as a page size. Here you can define anything. Let's say here we define it as a page and define a max page size as 100, so that at max we can return 100 results at a time. Let's create a function get paginated response. In this, we will pass self and a data. Data means whatever query set we are getting from our database, that data we will be passing out here. And then we will create a custom response based on our requirements. So next is we will returning the response. Let's say total pages. How many pages will be in the response? Like if we have 100 data and we set page size as 10, then we will have a pages as a 10. Then count will be our total results, let's say 100, and next will display the link of the next page, and previous will return the previous page link, and data will return the list of results. And as I said, we have to pass the status, so I have passed a status code as well here. So here we have completely created our custom pagination class. Now let's see this in action. We will go in our view class and just import this here. As I said, from dot pagination we have imported custom pagination class. Then in our class we will define one attribute, pagination class is equal to our custom pagination. So we are all set now. So first let's run the project. Then let's go back to our postman and we will send a request here. Okay, it's logged out. Let me log in first. I'm sending a login request. Here I'm replacing my token, and now I will send the request. Here you can see we have total pages 2, count is 6. That means total records in database are 6, and next page link is also displayed, and previous link is also displayed. There are no previous links. That means that is why it is showing null here, and the results you can see here. So how we set the page size? We go to parameters. In parameter, here whatever you have defined here as a page size query param, that keyword you have to copy here in the parameters. I have used page size, so I have passed page size, and whatever page size you want to pass, you can pass the value here. So I have passed now to. If I send the request, as you can see, it's now changed and I can only see the two results here. And if I go to next link, here you can see next and previous link as well now. So that's it for this video. I hope this video gave you some useful information. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.